Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing what I believe is my last paycheck for the month of August. I got paid the normal $1,100. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I know a lot of you guys come over from TikTok. I'm a cash stuffer. I do what's called zero-based budgeting. And so that means that every dollar that I'm paid has a place. I do not cash stuff my bills on camera. Those are auto drafted, but everything else I do cash stuff. All right, let's get into it. Alrighty, so how's everybody's week been going? It has been a stressful day for me. Just some personal stuff going on. You know, that happens in life. And I just kind of took a me day. Wasn't really productive with work. Wasn't really productive at all. I just needed some personal time, so I took that. I think it's really important to take care of yourself on stressful days. I've definitely taken this year to make me a priority, financially, physically, mentally. Very important. All right, so let's get into it. For this paycheck, we got paid $1,100, our typical, excuse me, y'all. I didn't even update the bills that were taken out this check. I haven't had time to sit down and look. So I think I've already paid these. So please forgive that. But let's get into our cash envelopes. Again, if you have questions about this wallet, this is a Mo-term and it is linked in the bio where you can purchase it. So let's go ahead and unstuff these cash envelopes first. We have $70 left in groceries, but this will actually go towards my credit card. I ordered some food on Instacart, some groceries. We have $20 left in gas, so that will go towards savings challenges, as well as this leftover money for laundry, which is $20. And that's it. So this money real quick, I'll just grab this is a little folder I keep some of my bills in. Credit card. So here's just extra money for my credit card. So I'm just gonna throw this in here. Put this away. All right, so this $40 we are going to set aside. I already filmed my savings challenge video for this week, so maybe we'll add it to our 100 envelope challenge for a little spice at the end of this video. All right, so let's get to stuffing. So for groceries, we're not going to be adding anything this week. We have plenty food. I'm going to be adding 20 for gas. I think I will be having a fill up this week. Again, I just haven't been driving much. I've been really busy at home. And for laundry, I'm gonna add that $20 back. Okay, and that definitely will get spent this week. All right, and so nothing for eating out, nothing for shopping. I'm really trying to cut back on all that this week because we will be going on vacation next week and we will be doing plenty of eating out and shopping then. So let's move over to our sinking funds. Okay, so our very first funds here in this binder, which is sold out for now, y'all. It'll be in stock again sometime towards the end of September. For those of you guys who are interested, I'm gonna go through and pack all the orders this week, and if one or two may have slipped past inventory, you may see it Monday, but probably not. So to our savings, we are going to be adding $110. Our usual, remember, we pay ourselves first and we pay ourselves 10%. Doing that has enabled me to save this amount of money you see here this year. While it may not be a ton, I'm definitely always saving something. 1,000, 2,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000, 10, 20, 30, 32, 33. So $3,033 in our savings fund, which is really good. At our next cash exchange, we'll get to put a 1K slip in there. So next up is retirement. Into retirement, I'm actually upping my contribution because I want to also start investing in some stocks on the side. So since this is my investment account, I'm going to be adding $250 so that I can put $125 in my IRA and the rest will go towards investments. So 1,000, 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 2,050, 2,070, 2,090, 2,095 in our retirement account. So to debt, we'll be adding $50, our usual. And again, we are going to attack debt heavy next year. 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why can't I count? 950, 1,000, 1,010, 1,020, 1,025. Y'all, if stress doesn't make you crazy, like, I've been blanking all day. It has been a day. Ugh. Okay, new whip will be receiving $200. So let's grab that. Add it in here. We now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 870, 875. $4,875. We are coming up on $5,000 for our new whip fund. Our emergency fund is going to be receiving $25. So 20 and 5. Our new total here, 1,102, 3, 4, 420, 440, 445, 450, 451. $1,451 in our emergency account. And people always ask me what my goal is here, and I really just want this to be able to cover me for if anything crazy happens and I am no longer going to have an income. This will hold me over until I can do something different. Our medical fund will be receiving $25, and I think I really just need to make a 6-month ahead fund instead of relying on my emergency fund for that, but maybe at the new year. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 520, 540, 550, 555, 560, $565 in medical. And our goal for this fund is $1,000. So once we reach $1,000, we will stop stuffing it. Family time will be receiving $25. So our new total here, 50, 70, 90, 95, and 100. So we now have $100 in our family time envelope. And that's all for these longer term funds. Let's move over to our peekaboo envelopes. And I know these sold out again this week. I'm hoping to have some for next week, if not the week after at the latest. So our miscellaneous fund here will be receiving $25. Alrighty, our new total here, 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 125. So we now have $125 in our miscellaneous envelopes. For travel, we're going to be adding 50. And again, we will be taking a trip next week, so I'm looking forward to that. 1,102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 758, 820, 830, 835. So $1,835 for that trip. And I'm sure we probably won't spend it all, but it's nice to have there. Did I add this correctly? It says I should have 1830. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 758, 820, 830, 835. What did I add here, y'all? 6, 7, 50, 80. Did I add 55? Maybe I did. I don't know. If it's left over, then maybe I just calculated wrong. We'll see. So next up is my essentials, which people on TikTok always ask me, you need that much money for, I'm at 25 here, for face cream? And I'm like, no, it's for anything I need. If I want a mani-pedi, if I want a massage, 100, 2, 3, 320, 340, 360, 380, 385, 390. If I do need skincare products or hair care products, that's what it's here for. So I'm not ashamed to take care of me, honey. So gifts, we'll be receiving $30 this week. So a 20 and a 10. And to gifts, let's see who needs more gift money. I think we are going to give it to Lizzie. Again, her birthday is coming up the soonest. So we'll add it to her fund, and if she has leftover, it'll roll over to Kiaje and me. Okay, so we have $375 in there now. Christmas, we'll be receiving $30. Alrighty. So now we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 420, 440, 460, 470, 480, 490, 495. So we're almost to the $500 mark for our Christmas cash. Rico is getting $10. Again, we are trying to get him a new cage. So 100, 150, 170, 190, 210. I think to get all the plants and all the cute little stuff I want to add in, he needs about $250, $300. So we'll see. Insurance will be receiving $15, and this is for car insurance. When I do purchase a new vehicle, well, actually it's going to be a used vehicle, excuse me. 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 165, 170 in insurance. Okay, and car maintenance will be receiving, let's see, let's do 10, 2 10, so 25, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So $140 in car maintenance. Again, because I will be purchasing an older vehicle. So just for anything that car may need. Boobies, which is my favorite fund, is our breast reduction fund, and it will be receiving its normal 50. 100, 2, 3, 354, 450, 470, $470. And y'all, don't be ashamed to have you a cosmetic surgery fund. Shoot, save up. If you're trying to get you a new butt, get you a new butt. So bills will be receiving $110. And again, that just gets distributed into my bill envelopes. And so I save up and will pay those. And households will be receiving $5, 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. Well, 50, 70, 80. Y'all, oh, bless my heart. 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. So we should have $90 in household. Okay, and so I guess I was off in travel. So I'm gonna put this $5 back and I will fix the tracker afterwards. And so, very last here, since I have already filmed my savings challenge video, let's see if we can add this extra $40 here to an envelope, maybe in our 100 envelope challenge. So we have $40. Let's see. I definitely don't want to undershoot it, so I could do 30, or I could put 40 and number 37. So I could do 30 and then add some to the $10 challenge. Let's see where we are there. And then that would make my next update $500. So let's do that. So we'll pick number 30. Okay. Okay, so there's number 30. And we'll be adding $30 to our envelope. Okay. So that's all for this challenge, which we are almost finished with, by the way. Good Lord, it went by fast, didn't it? And then we'll move over to our $10 challenge. And we'll be adding one $10 bill to that. Ooh, look at me coloring good. And so we'll just throw it in here, and I won't count it in this video because this video is not for that. So, look at that. Putting rollover money to good use. All right, y'all, so that is it for today. Again, not paying any debt or extra savings in today's video. So, oh, you know what I forgot? Let's do our perfume of the day. Okay. This is one of my faves. This is Cloud by Ariana Grande. Just take my word for it. If you are a newbie to perfumes, if you are true to it, I'm sure you have it. But if you don't, this is affordable and it smells delicious. Trust me on it. Go get you one. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. We're so close to 10K. I'm so ready to hit that mark so we can do some type of really cool giveaway. I'm so excited to do that. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. Let's see, what day of the week is it? This will be coming out probably on a weekend. So you guys have a good weekend. Bye.